it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I still got my helper, Sadie. Sadie, show your hands, Sadie.
I'm showing my hands.
You know I'm doing this 365 day earring challenge. And yes, I have a ton of earrings, but no, I'm not sure if I have 365 pairs of earrings. But I do have is a bunch of earring wires and head pins and a few beads. Just a few.
Are you sure that's a few?
That's just a few.
Are you sure this is just a few?
So I also have some jump rings. I got these big hearts for my go big or go home. Yes. So let's do these next. And we're doing mixed metals because that's what we're doing. We're not matchy-matchy. We don't care about matchy-matchy. We'll never be matchy-matchy here.
No, it's
We
okay,
have
these won't fit.
gold, copper, and silver. And that's how we like it.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, for these,
I'm probably not gonna be able to.
you need a round nose plier and maybe some wire cutters. These head pins are pretty short, so we've just been making the earrings fit to the head pins. So, but for
Personal
these,
favorite.
okay, you do not want to pull you don't want to pull them this way. You bend them. See what I'm saying? You open them that way.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I'm going to put,
I'm just probably going to these because that looks too complicated.
that's not complicated, but I'm just showing one pair that I want to make because go home or go big. Go big or go home. And see, I did not do that right. Now we have to close this up. You will close. You will close. If they don't close, you have to give them a stern talking to.
You better close.
You better close. I'll show you how I fix things on Russian space station.
You better stop.
Okay, we're going to pretend that that's closed. Can you get me an earring out, please?
Yes. If I could get it.
You can make these as long as you want, too. You could just keep adding jump rings to them.
I'm probably just going to do these.
Okay. You just do those.
Again.
You just do those.
Because, again, I say, too complicated. Again, I see.
No.
That makes
Oh.
sense.
Okay, it's this jump ring is the problem. Okay. This big jump ring. Okay, we're going to get rid of that. Go. with
But it
this
isn't
one.
big.
It
So go
doesn't
home.
matter.
So go
The
home.
heart is big. The heart is big. Just like my heart. Ha ha. My heart is big.
I guess it counts.
Okay. There. One heart earring. Just one. Now we're going to do two.
I'm going to start working on this.
No, we got to explain it first.
Oh, yeah.
Just hold your little pea-picking heart.
I can't.
This one. Okay. Open. Insert. Insert heart here. Add second jump ring. Close this up with no gappage. No gappage right there. I need another earring blank.
Oh, right here.
Okay.
I'm just going to...
You just pick out some beads so you can get ready.
Alright.
Add this. Close this back up. And Bob's your uncle. Rebecca has 2 go big or go home heart earrings.
I'm so sorry. I can't find anything you need.
Okay, Sadie made these.
And the blue ones and the red.
And, well, I helped with the red ones. She made these practically herself. She's quite the designer. And she did design these. But these were the first ones I showed her how to do, so I did have a bigger hand in those. So I want to do these sun and moons.
I'm going to do these yellow ones.
Okay, she's going to do some yellow ones. You need to come in. Can you do them like here?
Yes.
Bring your hands this way. Okay, I need this. So
What goes well with yellow?
almost anything. I wish I had silver beads.
I'm going to do green.
Okay, I'll do black, I guess. You need a bead on the end to keep the bigger beads from falling off. That looks very spring-like, don't you think?
Yep. And now I'm going to do some.
Okay,
There's
will
only
this-
one pinkish,
okay.
and I'm going to do that.
These beads are cool. They are two-sided. Bought them for my moon journal.
And these shiny ones.
Oh,
are
great.
like-
They're sideways. You see what I'm saying? Okay, abort mission.
Have you ever liked these like shiny ones?
Yeah, those. There's a name for that, but I can't remember it right now.
Tell us in the comments because we need to know.
So how about these? Is that
Ooh,
big
those are
enough?
pretty.
Nope, they're too big for these head
Ah.
pins.
I don't know what to do next.
I don't neither.
Oh, here's a pretty one. Please fit.
Okay, how about some purple? Purple. I got you covered here.
I'm
Okay.
begging a bead to fit. No, it doesn't fit. Oh, come on. Sadness. Spring color.
Pink, green, lavender.
Okay, so where's
I'm making lavender.
there's
So
oof, I almost lost
this is big enough because you need room for your loop. Grab that.
that. No.
Okay. And just like that, I'm gonna have like 10 pairs of earrings to add to my collection. Oh, look how pretty.
I need help with this part.
Oh.
You know I can't
Yes.
do it. I get so close to being able to do it. And then I just
Okay,
can't
give
do
me
it.
a ear wire. Oh, I got one.
I poured them out.
And hook it on. Ta-da!
I'm good at designing
That's
it, but I'm not actually good
Very
at making
spring-like. Okay, I
it.
need this.
Green. This one will be my green.
One big black one.
And this one.
How many? Two little black ones. Oh, I'm getting good. Look at that. First try.
Lucky.
Pure skill. No, it's pure skill.
Yes, you just said that. I did that one. Then lavender.
So when I take Sadie home today, we're gonna put some pants on her chicken and make him run.
We did as someone requested.
Yes, one of my viewers requested. The world famous Bratley.
We're doing as you said.
Barb, we're doing it for you.
Also because it's us. You'll have to see what color the pants are when we tape the video. Trust me, you will die laughing.
So, there's my purple lavender earrings.
Help.
Help me, help me. Help me, Obi-Wan, you're my only hope.
What?
Star Wars reference.
Uh,
And we saw Captain Marvel yesterday. No spoilers. No spoilers, Sadie. Not everybody has seen it.
This is a spoiler, but it explains everything in the Avengers. Almost everything.
A lot.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, and go for the previews of upcoming movies. You won't be sorry. Okay, so count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6. So just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to count like 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Just like that. 6 pairs of earrings. If we can do it, you can do it.
Hopefully.
We don't have any beads left. I don't know what we're gonna do. We don't have any beads.
Are you sure?
So I'm
yeah, we totally don't have any beads.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let Sadie design a few more pairs, and we're just going to, that thing.
And also keep updated on her social media so that you'll see the earrings that I made.
That's right. On my Instagram and my Crazy Rebecca's Facebook page. That's right. That's where they post. I'm on date. Today was 87, so I'm almost to 100. I might do a giveaway at 100. I should do a giveaway at 100. Okay.
That's a good one.
Okay, so we will see you later.
Bye-bye.
What? What'd you say? Deanna's flock. Her fancy flock. Keeper with his pink pants. Don't teach him to be mean. You're gonna have flip-flops on and he's gonna think he can do that. I like how Queen Elizabeth looks. So dark with white hair.
Adventures with Tom.
Sunset. Ducks, go over there with your own kind.
They're different breed, though.
It's my Tom. Tom, come on.
Hello, goats. Do they talk? Bah.
That's Elvis.
Elvis, you're so handsome.
Hi, Brownie. What are you doing?
Brown.
Did you buy them or are you borrowing them?
I ended up buying him.
Oh.
And her.
Okay. For some reason I thought you were just getting them for stuff.
I was just going to borrow him.
He's so handsome.
I was just going to borrow him for a month. And then she bought 2 new bucks. And offered to sell him. Because I had originally asked her if she was selling him. The answer is no. Then she bought 2 new bucks.
If you just be quiet. I am now holding Sabrina's chicken.
Yeah. Aww.
Which is a Dumbo. And also used as a fan.
Oh, mommy.
Think, Rico. Think about your actions.
Hello.
She's coming right after you. She's trying to eat the phone.
We'll have babies in September.
In September, boy, that's a long time.
So we were going to go in about a month. And then, it takes 5 months. So, their babies. Mom will be like this big when they're born.
How big? Aw.
Think about your actions. What? I think they might be. What are you doing? It's the same chicken that got stuck in that one bag.
They're anticipating something. All right, I'm gonna go.
Dancing with Dump.
Well, thank you for taking her.
Oh, we had fun.
Good.
Uh-huh.